Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone. Make sure it has internet and at least 20% battery so the app won't die mid-trip. Once done, open the Mticket app and sign in. Keep your payment method or stored wallet ready to avoid delays. Next, enable GPS and grant location permissions so the system can validate boarding zone and fare. This matters because many operators verify your position when issuing the ticket. Now you're ready to select the ride. You now pick the specific bus line, direction, and boarding stop. Accuracy ensures the ticket matches the inspector's checks. After that, select your fare type: single, return, daily pass, or concession. Choose any discounts before checkout. Check the time window or validity period shown, then press pay or buy and complete the payment. Make sure the digital receipt appears. Keep it on screen or in the app's active tickets section, because you'll need it. When boarding, present your active ticket's QR code or barcode clearly to the driver or inspector. Hold the screen steady so scanners read it. If your app supports auto-validate, wait for the confirmation sound or green indicator before sitting down. Make sure screen brightness is up and keep data on in case validation updates. If something goes wrong, restart the app, take a screenshot of the ticket or copy the offline validation code and show that to staff. This usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.